Members of the proscribed Hnlc outfit had recently sent an official communication to the government of Meghalaya expressing their desire for unconditional peace talks with the state and central governments while excluding the standstill agreement and instrument of accession in the purview of the talks. Following the receipt of the communication, the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad K. Sangma, had met officials of the Ministry of Home Affairs in New Delhi to discuss further on the matter. Sangma informed that the talks ended on a positive note, though it is too early to divulge details on the issue.
I had a meeting today with the Home Secretary and other officials of the MHA, and it was regarding the communication that we have received from Hnlc, where they have expressed their desire to have talks with both Government of India and Government of Meghalaya in the interest of overall peace in the state. And they've mentioned in the letter that they are coming forward unconditionally, as well as to discuss within the parameters of the Constitution of India. It's a welcome step, and we have updated the Government of India, MHA, on these developments. And detailed discussions on how to take this forward have also been discussed. It will not be appropriate for me to share those details at this point in time, but it was a very positive meeting, and we will take the steps forward as per discussion with the MHA. And in the next few days, more developments will take place.